I'm Jessica Sarkin, Director of Sales and Marketing for Como Parrot Cay, a private island resort in the Turks and Caicos Islands. The main island, Providenciales, where the airport is located, is just 30 minutes by boat from Como Parrot Cay. Our guests are taken in a private SUV transfer over to the Welcome Lounge before boarding the boat over to the island. The amazing location and natural relaxed setting make the resort unique. We have an incredible team looking after our guests, many different cultures and experiences, a unique combination of staff from the Turks and Caicos Islands, and also many other parts of the world. Como Parrot Cay offers a range of accommodation, rooms and suites just 5 minutes walking to the beach, and beachfront houses and villas, 59 accommodation in total. I'm here at one of my favorite houses, one of our new 2-bedroom beach houses. It has 2 king-bedded rooms with ensuite bathrooms, indoor and outdoor shower, a freestanding tub, living and dining room area, and then an amazing infinity pool that's just steps from the sea. We have stand-up paddleboards or kayaks to adventure on the sea or through the mangroves in the back of the island. Our guests can go out on one of our Wobie Cats with our water sports team. In addition to the beach, there are bikes to explore the island, visit our coconut grove or banana orchard, find a secluded stretch of beach. We also have tennis courts and our wellness opportunities. Guests enjoy our signature ginger tea looking out over the mangroves and nature reserve, or start the morning with Tai Chi, yoga, meditation in our pavilion. Como Shambhala Retreat offers our fitness center, yoga pavilion, Pilates studio, and of course our amazing spa. Como Parrot Cay has a diverse culinary offering, with 2 restaurants, Lotus and Terrace, and our Como Beach Club, adjacent to our adults-only pool. The Beach Club at sunset is one of my favorite places on the island, with great cocktails and an awesome ambiance. And then we also have Terrace Bar with gorgeous sweeping views, one of the highest points on the island, also a great spot for sunset. Thank you so much for joining. We hope you enjoyed Como Parrot Cay. We cannot wait to welcome you and your guests soon.